Stoichiometry. What's our stoichiometry here? You remember we are only having Na here. So we want to get in terms of Ca. So Na over V is equal to Ca. N over V is equal to Ca. So since we assume our V doesn't also change, Na over V naught is equal to Ca as well. So then the fourth step is to combine. So how do we combine this? We substitute this to get our Ca. We substitute this to get our Ca. So 1 over V, the Na dt is equal to Ra. So we can just put it as the Na over V dt equals to Ra. Is equal to Ra. And what does that mean? It means dCA dt equals to Ra. And what's our Ra? Minus KCA. So we can do further analysis there. So that means we can just say dCA over Ca is equal to minus K dt. So we are performing number 5 now, which is evaluate. So which is then Ca naught to Ca, this will be evaluated, and this will be evaluated from 0 to t. And what does it become? It becomes ln Ca over Ca naught is equal to minus kt. But we don't have information about Ca. We have only information about Cc from the data given here. So that means we will try to find our Ca in terms of Cc. So how do we do that? You remember Na is equal to Na naught minus Na is equal to Na naught minus Na naught x. And Na naught x is equal to Na naught x is equal to Nc. So you remember that. So because what that means is that the A that react, when A react, Na naught x is going to form Nc. So since they are in the ratio 1 to 1, that means the mole of A that react will be the mole of C that is formed. So what do we need that for now? So that means our Na naught x is equal to C. So it means Na is equal to Na naught minus Nc. So if you divide through by volume, that means Ca is equal to Ca naught minus Cc. And we can now get our, so we can substitute this. We can substitute this into this. So that means our ln Ca naught, our ln Ca naught minus Cc over Ca naught is equal to minus Kt. So what we simply require is to plot this against time. So if you plot that, that will be a straight line and it's going to give us a slope of minus k. So let's look how to do that. To do that, we set up something like this. There will be a time column. There will be a concentration of ethylene glycol, which is already given. And then we can now find Ca minus Cc over Ca and then ln Z. Let's look at this. So this is the time given to us and Cc given to us. We already know our Ca naught from here that it is 1 kilomole per meter cube or 1 mole per dm cube. So that's our Ca naught. So we can then use that. So that means when Cc is equal to 0, then we are having at times T0, when Cc is equal to 0, then our Ca naught, that is 1 minus 0 over 1. That will give us 1. Ln of 1 will give us 0. When the time is 0.5, our concentration of C is 0.145. To get our Ca naught will be what? 1 minus 0.145 divided by 1. That will be 0.855. Ln of that will give us minus 0.15665. When our time is equal to 1, our CC is equal to 0.27. So our CA0 minus CC over CA0 will be what? 1 minus 0.27 divided by 1, which is 0.73. Ln of 0.73 will be minus 0.31471. So when we do all of that together, we are going to get something like this. So we are going to get all of the lane CA0 minus CC over CA0 like this. So this is lane CA0 the CA0 minus CC over CA0. So this is the codon. So that's all the data we are going to get for that. So when we get that, then what remains now is to plot these, the time against lane CA0 minus CC over CA0. So in Excel, if you know how to do that, that's very easy. So it will give you a straight line like that, perfect straight line. So this column is this side is lane CA0 minus CC over CA0, and this is time. So you see it's a perfect straight line. So we need to now get the slope in order to calculate our K. So let's find it where it is easy. We can find it from here. We can join it to known point. You can join it anyhow actually, but I want to join it where I will find it very easy. So it means our slope is equal to, if you look at this one, this point is minus 0.629 minus 0.62923 minus, so that means then this one, this side is around minus 3.5.4.2. So it's around 0.2. You can get it more accurately, but I want to do this minus 3.2 minus this point is 0.629233, 0.629233 stop divided by time. The time here is the time here is what? Is minus 10, and the time here is 2. So that will be 10 minus 2. So let's see